Welcome back to what the pros use, and this product is a total game changer. This is called FiltraPodz. It goes right into your skimmer and acts like a fine particle trap, catching debris down to 3 microns. That's way smaller than your pump basket, and in a lot of cases, your actual filter can catch. By the time debris hits your filter, it's already stressing out your system. FiltraPodz takes that first hit, pulling fine dust, pollen, and oils out of the water before they even reach, let alone clog up your equipment. Drop the FiltraPodz in the skimmer basket. Done. They're reusable, rinse off with a hose, and work with salt or chlorine pools. If it's on our shelf, it's something we actually use, actually recommend, and actually believe will make your pool care easier. We've got them in stock. If you want your filter to work smarter, not harder, this is one of our favorite tricks.